Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to give you a very special tour of our brand new studio. So let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
While I'm sure you're eager to see all the goodies our new studio has to offer, we're not gonna rush to that just yet, but I promise we'll get to it. We're gonna go ahead and start off by looking at all of our workspaces. So if you turn 130 degrees to your left, you're gonna see Dylan and his desk all by his little lonesome, but don't worry, he's got plenty of room. And over here on the other side of our door, we have our very long Megadesk TN. And starting off our Megadesk is Tiffany's workstation. And over here, we've saved the best for third because this is my desk. And next to my desk is Evan's desk. We both got really lucky snatching up the two windows in this studio here. And to finish off the Megadesk TN is Corey's workstation. And right behind Corey's desk is our new and improved memory station. We had one of these in our last studio, but now we have like color-coded sticky notes and our giant server down here, Effie 2.0. She's got a lot more storage than in our previous studio. And what's even better is all of our workstations are connected directly to her, so it makes importing and downloading files way faster. And finally, now the moment you've all been waiting for, the official 320 Studio bathroom. Unlike the other official 320 Studio bathroom, this one is built directly inside. Unheard of, I know, but it's great. And another thing we've added to the studio is this lovely mini kitchen space where we have a sink, don't expect any hot water, and a microwave for whenever we need a quick hot lunch. And what studio space is complete without coffee? We have our very own espresso machine where we can make all of our favorite orders, and pretty soon we'll be professional baristas. And to finish off our studio kitchen, we have this nice fridge right here, which is much bigger and cooler, see what I did there, than the last one we had. And speaking of chilling, check out our new corner lounge. Our last studio had a couch and a coffee table that also served as our designated shooting space for videos. Well, we swapped that setup for these two chairs and side table, and it's a lovely spot to take some nice mental breaks or have a mental breakdown. Not to mention, it's a great place to do some light reading. Now, the biggest and best addition to our new space is the Studio Lab. We now have an entirely separate space for all of our content creating needs. In here, we plan to do everything from studio portraits to video content. We've even filmed and recorded our latest podcast sessions in this space, which is available on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts right now. The Studio Lab also serves as the storage room for all of our gear. We have two separate shelves that have designated spots for our cameras, batteries, and more. Well, that pretty much concludes the tour of our new studio. Thanks so much for checking out our new space with us. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments, and if you want to see the studio in action, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.